Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here again. Jordan, say hi.
Hi.
We're just having all kind of technical difficulties, but it's all good. So we're gonna do jet powered engine part 2. We're gonna show you the end. I'm gonna flip the camera and we're gonna explain to you what we got going on.
There you go.
All right, so here we have our Coke bottle, right, Jordan? And we have vinegar, blue food dye. We drilled a hole in the top. We have a straw going through that. And we have some ticky-tack around the top of the lid and inside the lid around the straw. So Jordan's going to take this funnel and somehow he's going to manage. Here, Jordan, get that on there. He is going to add to the vinegar and dye solution. What are you going to add, Jordan?
One tablespoon of vinegar.
1 tablespoon of vinegar. And then he filled, let me get on this side of you. He filled up the tub with a few, probably about 4 or 5 inches of water. So Jordan, go ahead, hold your bottle, put it in your hand and hold it over the water because, yeah, I'm scared. Get your tablespoon of baking soda.
I'm probably going to spill it.
It's okay, just spill it over the tub. There you go. Dump it in there quickly. No, bub. Okay.
Well, that should have worked.
That sort of worked. You have to let it get out of the funnel into the bottle. Okay. But you can see that it is bubbling. And so we might be able to try it again.
Yay.
Okay, but run and go get. Let's take this out. Hold on, friends. I know I'm making you dizzy.
Oh, actually, you know what? This one's probably dry by now.
No, hold on.
Yeah, it is. Dry.
Okay, get a towel. Go get a towel. Hang on, friends. We're going to try a second attempt.
This one?
Use that towel and dry off the funnel. Dry off your funnel.
Yeah, I think I'd rather use the smaller one because then,
Yes,
then it would
the
take...
smaller one's going to work a little bit better.
Yeah, because then
This is the joy of science experiments.
Because we're not going to end all this time in a failed experiment. We are just not...
Okay.
How'd you...
You got to get it on there.
I'm not the steadiest of
right.
hands,
Okay.
mind you, if you've seen our
You know
channel.
what? Run and go get a piece of paper.
Piece of paper?
Actually, hold this. Hold the camera. All right, we're just going to take the lid off. And we'll just try to replace the lid quickly. What? Oh, don't make our friends too dizzy. Okay, hold the camera. Oh, look what happened. This came off. Okay.
What?
It's all good.
From the... Wow.
Okay.
That's interesting.
You film the water. Nana's going to get the tablespoon of baking soda. And we're going to try to do it this way.
Folks, just pretend that this is static right now.
All right.
What the... Put it in there!
There it goes. Okay, there it goes. There's the jet-powered engine.
Yeah.
All right, that was quick. All right, now, Nana, now tell our friends, hold on. Let me get a towel and dry myself off. Tell your friends why that did that.
Because the vinegar reacting with the baking soda...
Hold on. There we go.
Because the vinegar reacting with the baking soda caused a reaction that made it fizz and it launched out.
Right. So the vinegar is, I mean, not the vinegar, the baking soda is what?
The
Sodium bicarbonate.
Sodium bicarbonate.
Which is what? A base.
A base.
And then the vinegar has what in it?
Carbon dioxide?
Acid.
Oh.
So when you put a base and an acid together, you get a
reaction.
So
which is
yes,
kind
sir.
of related to our Diet Coke and Mentos explosion.
Yes, it is. Good job, Jordan. All right, folks, there you have it. We succeeded today. It took us 2 tries, and that's okay. And that's the fun about science experiments, right? Because you learn something every time. Keep trying, and you'll be successful. So, yes, ma'am? Yes, sir. I'm reading the comments. Okay. Let me sit down. Go. Oh, Miss Danielle's trying to guess the similarities.
Miss Danielle, that is kind of a reasonable answer, but it's not it. And I completely forgot what I was about to say there.
Oh, what are the similarities in the experiment we did yesterday and the one that we did today? They both had what?
Liquid. They all needed at least one liquid to be performed.
There you have it. Do you have anything else to add? That was a pretty cool experiment, huh?
Yeah, I completely forgot what I was going to say, but
that's okay. That happens to Nana all the time, for real. Yes.
Well, sadly, this is our tree day, and this is the last part of our marathon. Oh, I remember what I was...
Because why? What do you have to do tomorrow?
School. But I remember what I was going to say originally.
Okay, go ahead. 2
tries, 2 parts.
Yes, that's right.
Because you clicked the finish button, not accidentally.
Yes, accidentally. That was a technical problem. That was my fault. Okay. All right. Well, we're going to close out, friends. Thank you for hanging out and doing our lives with us, experimenting in science and trying new things. I do recommend moms or dads, if you do this experiment with your kiddos, do it in a deep tub like this or in like a little kiddie pool outside, because it is quite a little explosion. So we have food dye all over the tub. Yes, dear.
The food dye clearly seems to have actually mixed with the water. So we have a bathtub of blue.
Now we have blue water. You can see blue water. So anyway, it was a lot of fun. Thanks for hanging out with us. Next time you see me live, I promise we'll be doing something crafty, some fall stuff. I have tons of Christmas crafts planned, so we're going to be doing that. And Jordan's heading back to school tomorrow.
And yeah, Nana definitely has to get some crafts in after these 3 days of science experiments.
Are you telling me I have to work?
With them.
All right, guys. Yes. Anything else?
Science experiments are basically like crafts, but they're much more cooler.
They are very creative. You're right. I don't know about cooler. We might have to argue about that. We'll see. All right. We love you guys. Thanks for hanging out. If you try this experiment, come back, post it in the comments, show us your video, or just put your comment, maybe a picture of how you did. Yes, dear. One more.
And we are also going to post a picture of our reattempt of the failed experiment we did yesterday of the rainbow in a tube.
Oh yeah, we're gonna try the rainbow in a tube another time, and we'll make sure we post that for you. Okay? All right, friends, have a good night.